Welcome back to my channel, my kitchen. Today is Meal Planning Monday. It's week 21. Yes, it is. And Sammy's like, "What are you? Who are you talking to?" All right. Yep. I know, baby girl. I know. Okay. Let's see if we can get through this. I'm trying a different camera and mount, so we'll see if this works better with the focus. Focus? Yes. Focus. Alright, you probably saw in last night's video, if you saw it, I had pork tacos or crispy taco, corn tortilla tacos. Anyway, I have some of that left over, so that's what we're having tonight, which is pork tacos. I have one tomato left, so tomato and cheese. Alright. Tuesday. Tuesday. Well, I don't know where my highlighter is. Tuesday, I'm going to be out and about, so we'll probably eat out. Wednesday's travel day. This week is really weird, so, but this is my life, so you get it on paper. Travel day. When I travel, I just grab something, so there's probably not going to be any cooking. And if you can believe it or not, these 2 days is really going to be hot, so I'm probably not going to do a lot of cooking. So I don't know, just grab and go. I've got some crackers and some olive medley that I found that I've talked about. And so it's probably just a snack. I've got some little baby carrots, so it's probably just a snack. Maybe I'll make some dip. I have some sour cream and mayonnaise. I think, oh, chips and dips. Well, not chips, but how about dips? Dips and crackers. I don't have any chips, so no chips. How about the next day, fish and chips? No. I'm gonna have that on Friday. I bought some little bitty pepperonis. Pepperoni tortilla. It might be tortilla pizza. Or I might make the, if I can make a small batch, because what I want to do is cook them in the pie iron outside. Of course, that means no wind, so we don't know really if that's going to happen or not. So, but that's on the agenda. It'll either be tortilla pizza and cook it inside, or around the campfire with the pie iron. I'll get my pie iron out. All right. Friday, I did want blackened grilled fish, tilapia, with veggies. I'm not really sure what veggies. I may do some bell pepper and onion veggies, because I want to cook some dirty rice, brown rice, whatever. Saturday. I'm gonna just make some bean chalupas. Getting into those recently. I will need to, on travel day, I will stop at Walmart and get a few things. I need the veggies, and tomatoes if I'm gonna do chalupas. Tomatoes and cheese. pretty simple week this week, I think. Sunday. So Sunday, I'm going to start something new. Because I'm kind of stuck for ideas right now. So in the comments below, I want you to suggest something for me to cook on Sunday. So when I go to the store here, I will get the ingredients and cook it and hopefully do a video on it. So put your suggestions in the comments below. And we'll see if I cook it. I thought, oh, well, let's get your comments and see what, or something that you're eating this week. I'll look at cooking that too. But I thought that would be fun, that I could try to start planning that every week. Y'all's suggestions in the comments, and then I cook it. That'd be fun. All right, so that is this week's meal plan.